Welcome back to another day with me, Monica. Today we'll focus on our shoulders, as my shoulders have been extra tight. We're going to bring our arms up to the front of the mat, lifting up, stretching out to the left and to the right. Let's say hello to the mountains and hello to the ocean that's right behind me. And coming down to the legs, to your toes, saying hello to your toes. Mine are extra sandy. Coming up, halfway lift, come on down, halfway lift again. Now let's go down to our plank. Chaturanga your way down, up dog. And this time we're gonna come on down to a child's pose. You can brush away any residues that are on your mat. I've got lots of sand. I'm gonna make a clean space for my forehead. And taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Reflecting back on this week. Reflecting on how we've been treating our shoulders. Have we been driving a lot? Sitting down at work? Or simply being on the phone and tilting our head down. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Just reflecting. And then coming back to the present moment of being in this pose. You're going to shift your body weight forward, dropping it down to a cow, and back up. We're about to just stretch, circle yourself to the left and then to the right. I'm going to take your left hand and put it through the right side. Going to look up to the sky, resting on our shoulder on the ground. You want to lift your head up a little bit just because you want to put all of your weight on your shoulder. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And while you're in this pose, think about your happy place. What is it that makes you happy? Where do you feel happy? Is it by the mountains, by the ocean, at home, or with your partner or pet? Bring some memories into your body, feeling yourself with your happy place from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Take 3 more rounds of breath. At your own pace, come back up. Drop the stomach down. Lifting up, looking at your belly button. Switch. And last one. Rotate to the left and then rotate to the right. Let's switch sides, taking the right hand through the left. Resting the body on the right shoulder. And this time, imagine a white ball of energy going into your shoulder where you feel the pain. This white light of energy I am giving to you as a gift from the mountains and the ocean. I'm giving you their love and compassion to help heal your pain. Allow this white energy to fill it up. Fill it up with your pain. Perhaps it's pain from a person, pain from sitting at work too long, or just simple self-judgments that have been hurting you. Allow this white energy to absorb all of that. And when you're done, simply release it back. Release it back so that the ocean and the mountains can release it for you. Take 3 more rounds of breath. And when you're ready to release that ball of energy, come back up and send it back. Send it back to the earth and send it back to the mountains and to the ocean. Drop the belly, look up to the ceiling, release in, say hi to your belly button, switch, and one more time. And you're going to curl your toes into the down dog. And this time you're going to squeeze your shoulders up to your ears. Hold, 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 and release. Squeeze up again, and hold. Squeeze one last time, hold, and release. Good. And you're going to walk up to the front of your mat, halfway lift, all the way down, come on up, one vertebrae at a time. And again, say hello to the sky, hello to the mountains, and hello to the ocean. Arms up, you're going to just twist over to the left side and to the right side. One more time each way, to the left and to the right. I'm just brushing off the sand off my hands. Take your right hand and simply tuck and tilt your head to the right side. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Allowing yourself to relax and opening up space in this area. Opening up space, and if you want, you can bring that white light of energy back into this area to absorb any pains. And when you're finished on this side, you can just release it to the mountains and to the ocean. Switch sides, bringing that ball of energy to this area. In through the nose and out through the mouth, and release it when you're ready. Just a few more seconds. And you're going to put your arms up to the sky and simply bring your elbow down, tucking your hips in. Switch sides. In through the nose and out through the mouth, coming back to the front of the mat, coming all the way down, shaking yourself to the left and to the right, to the left and to the right, coming down to a plank, chaturanga, up dog, child's pose. Just a few rounds here of breath, in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And then we're going to sit up. We're going to take our left leg over our right. Just crossing our legs. Adjusting our body. Then we're going to cross the right hand over the left. Into our eagle arms, and then on your inhale, as you exhale, lift the elbows up. You'll notice tension in the hips and tension in the shoulders. And allowing to send your breath to the pain, allowing to send the breath and oxygen into the tension. Through the breath, you can heal this tension and open the body more up. And if you need to, bring back that energy of white light, the one from the compassion from the mountains and the sea, and the love from the sea and the mountains. Allowing yourself to relax here in your body. You're doing great. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And then you're going to shake out the arms. Tilt over to the right and the left. And one more time. To the left and to the right. Bring the legs out, shaking them out. Then you're going to switch sides, bring the right in and the left over. Oh, no, that's what I just did. Bring the left in and the right over. And this time crossing the left over the right. And arms up, elbows up. Noticing which side was more tight, which side was less. You are in your body and you are the one that feels all the pain and the tension. I am simply here as your guide to help you release that. But it's up to you to clear your thoughts and to clear your mind about this pain. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Every time you exhale, try to lift the elbows up higher. And is this side more tense? Is this side more tight? How does your body feel right now? And letting it go. Twisting to the right and twisting to the left. And switch. One more time. And let's bring your legs out into a straddle. You're gonna take the right hand up over the head, looking up to the sky. And switch sides. This side is a little less tight for me, so I can go down a bit lower. Keeping your chest high, arms over your right, left arm over the head, feeling it through the oblique. And switch in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. One more time. And again. Again, you're going to take both hands out in front and simply pulse a few times. And if it feels good, take a couple more rounds. And for your last one, let's hold. Hold, hold, hold. Smile. Very good. Let's wind ourselves back to the plank. Holding it here. Into our down dog. Pedaling out your feet. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Walking yourself up to the front. Lifting up. Saying hello to the sky, hello to the mountains, and hello to the ocean. Feeling the energy from the mountains and the ocean. Allowing the shoulders to relax. Allowing yourself to simply be. And bringing your hands up to the front and acknowledging this white light of energy that I'm giving to you as a reminder that you can use it at any time. When you need to relieve your tension, simply know that in your hands you have this white light and just brush it away. Bring your body in through the tension and letting the bad energy out through this white light. The energy of tension and the energy of pain. Through your hands, I am giving with my hands the love from the ocean and the love from the mountains. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time.